Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shia back with another video. Stop. I have my sister here, and we're gonna be making some slime with tissue. We're gonna be testing it out. So stop. So what you need is something to mix it. I'm just using these fruit cup bowls because this is what I had out. What I had to use. So, and then we're gonna need something to mix with. We just have these, and I'm gonna use this. You're gonna use this. This big one. You don't need this. Be quiet. Something to mix with. Some tissue toilet paper. Some shampoo. You can use any shampoo, but I'm not using a lot. I know you need a lot, but I'm not going to use a lot of this one. I'm going to get more, so it's going to be this one and another one. And you need water. I have water in here, but
I think I'll blow your mind. Overlooking our first photographs. What is the scariest thing?
get over here. You're not going to be here. You're not going to be in the video for sure. So, this. So then stop. So you have to rip the tissue up really good. And if you have two-ply tissue, okay, if you have two-ply tissue.
You don't want to make slime with it. I can wait to make it.
This is just in my camera. Okay, whatever. My phone's on 20%. So if you have two-ply, then you have to take it apart, obviously. But if you don't, you just want to rip it up like really good. And I'm watching a video in the background. They're making the same thing, and they did it good. That's why I'm making it. Well, can you put yours in there? Put your in there. This is her bowl. She's not doing it. Now you like to rip up stuff? Rip it up now.
I picked a jet.
Stop. Pay attention to your spot.
Giant booger. Look at booger slime.
Rip it up small. So I put it this much. If I need to add more tissue, I will. But I have this much. 14. That's not to add liquid. So I'm going to add in a capful of water. And your water has to absorb it. You want me to help you put the tissue in there? Because you have to.
Look how pretty this is. Yours is definitely way.
What's he doing?
Yeah, we need to find out.
You went his room?
No. That's not her work. Don't dare. Here.
I'm just going to rip up a bunch of pieces and put it on the side.
This is just good. I put the best
It doesn't matter.
Okay, bye.
So I'm going to put a cap full of water in hers. Well, it wasn't really a Okay, I'm trying not to spill it on here. I put a little bit more in here by accident, so I'm just gonna level it out. Just too much.
Why the
Okay, so you have to mix it up now. So we have to mix up the water and the thing until it's all like absorbed.
I make it. You want help?
So it
You
absorbs
can
all
help.
the water. Well, you can make some next, okay? If it works, you can make some next. So you want to do this until all the water is absorbed. And this,
Not perfect like that, huh?
yeah, I know. Vicky, no, you have to mix it all up until all the water is up. I'm gonna add a little bit more, like these 2 pieces, because this water over here is not like absorbed, and you want a lot of water. So don't think you put too much water. You want a lot of water. Like, let me just show you guys how the slime came out. Can you see it?
You cannot make a swirl, but you can make a
What?
cowboy.
That's what the slime came out like.
Yeah, that how it works. So we go make it same day, right, Sarah? We go make it same day. You want?
I'm gonna actually add a little bit more water.
I think since the mommy stayed there for long, but not long. Since they stayed there for long, we can make more slime.
So I'm mixing it. Okay. You actually are? I could download it for you. Oh, it splashed some.
Hey guys,
I love it.
today I'm going to be doing something that should be really fun.
Come over here.
5
Vicky,
different
come over
can
here.
make
takeovers. So I have here
If we
Yeah,
want
that's
more,
gonna
if
boost
we want big
They can
stuff,
see. Turn this
Except for
way.
the soft and slow cream stuff, but we'll get to that later. I'm
No,
gonna try
I
to
didn't
make
want
them better
this.
by painting them.
Hold on, guys. Okay, this is the next one.
The shine, it's glitter time!
so I can see my head. So we just got this shower, guys.
Stop doing that, Vicky.
Yeah.
You gotta mix it up more. Make sure you get the stuff on the sides too. So right now, I'm just okay.
I hope Lala be good at it today. How are they good? I hope Lala don't get that
Okay.
out.
So she needs to mix hers up much more. Stop doing that. You have to mix it. Here, use this. And mix it up good, because you're not mixing it up. So I'm
That's
gonna
so good.
add, mine's is a little watery, but that's okay. It's like a cup.
Sorry, I'm messing up good.
So I'm gonna add a, not a lot, but a lot at the same time. Let me actually get this.
Sorry, do you want to make that slime right there? Sorry, do you want to make that slime right there?
No. Oh, we have to put flour and starch, but we don't have no starch.
Oh, we can brace us.
I know why this is not working, but it's not working. And they were mixing for a long time, so
I think my mom gonna stay there
okay, be quiet.
for a long time.
Okay. Hush. So guys, let me just show y'all what I'm doing. I'm mixing it all up, and maybe it's not. Stop. That's disgusting. You're disgusting. Well, I don't know if I need more just to see. I don't know. This was a fail, and it was a fail.
This was
But
my
it seems like it's coming together a little bit. Like, it feels good. But they did mix it for a long time. And they had a lot of it. So I'm going to actually go try to find here. Let me add this a little bit because I like the smell. And first, I'm going to put this.
See guys, they go turn really quick. Go look like something. Go look like you.
I have my own shampoo. So I have my shampoo right here. I'm put a lot of it in there. So I know they put a lot. And this is like jiggly almost a little bit. And if I have to, I will add more.
I know where to go make it. I know where to
It's
go
like,
make.
it's coming to slime a little bit.
I don't know where to go make.
Add that in yours. Did I add some in yours? You gotta mix it with this part. Look, not that part.
So guys, I put all my kitchen. So I don't have no more. Get this. Get water. We got that. So yeah. Where it goes soon. And where it goes soon. You take the envelope like soap. It feels like soap. It feels like soap.
Sorry guys, but we have to be in the dark for a little bit. So it's coming together, to be honest with you guys. It's just here.
So you start this, you got out.
Shut up. Okay, can you shut up? Jimmy. It's working.
Yeah, okay. Mine is not coming. Mine is not at the front. Because I didn't make it. The way. So do you want this two bits in there?
Hey, Winchester, I love you, but this car has been meticulously crafted right down to the very smell. You're just gonna slobber all over it.
Obsessively dedicated to every detail.
What?
He was doing the bathroom.
So? So, you probably
It
your
was
stuff
that
to
after.
do. You guys, it's working. It's working. Oh my gosh. It's actually working. It's like only bubbles something in it. Yes, it's like only bubbles in it. So this is what it's looking like. Okay, yeah. This is a fair. Okay guys, so I had to move to a different location because I had to get the lights off in that room. Okay, so this is the slide or going outside. It's not really working, I don't know why. Like they had a lot of tissue and it was not on it. It was less than okay. Go get more, I'll go get more tissue.
There was the eyes. There was the eyes. Not the There was the eyes. Not two. There was the eyes.
So I'm just gonna mess
That's
this
why
up.
our
Be
hair.
quiet now.
Why was my granny have a mansion? Does she?
I don't know.
What is that? It's slime.
It's because
It's slime for me. With tissue.
So let's just put them together a little bit. The more tissue I add, the more it comes
I
together.
hope mommy don't know.
Well, our cousins watch our video, so they know that.
Are you gonna break it home? Are you gonna break it home? Are you gonna break it home, Sarah?
We're gonna stay here for a while.
We're gonna stay here for a whole bunch of time. We're gonna stay here for.
Okay, shush. So move over so they can see the camera. Move that off the camera. Move this over there. Because they can't see. Yes.
Wow.
It's not better, guys, but it's a little more light.
Guys, mine is not better than hers. No more people.
And I know you're not playing it. You're on YouTube. And turn it down.
This is YouTube.
That's what I just said. I
But
said.
the other one wasn't.
No, it wasn't. Yes, it was. It was on there. I saw it. When I peeked over there.
Oh, you saw me eating the ice cream? You saw me eating the ice cream?
Yeah. So guys,
Well,
this
but
is
that time when I was playing this.
No, it wasn't.
I know.
Shut up. So guys, this is a fail. It was a fail. Not gonna lie, it was a fail. I don't know how they did that. I don't know how they did that. Being quiet now. I got it on mommy's shoes. Oh my gosh, I got her shoes. Bring the garbage over here. Bring the garbage. Right here. I'm not throwing her shoes in the garbage.
Mommy got me from mine.
Okay, be quiet.
No, she won't.
So, throw it all out. No evidence. Well, wait, just the. Throw this out. Here. Throw it out. We're gonna go wash. We're gonna go. Don't go away. We're gonna go wash our hands right here. And there, we're gonna go wash our hands. And we'll be right back.
period, marking the past of injury years over the school year. Write your answers in the comments. I'll study them. So let's get back to business now.
Wow!
Susie, how did you get here?
Well, I followed you and came here. What's that? Wow, cool stuff.
Oh, no, put it down. Here, take this and follow the instructions closely.
All right.
Interesting.
Oh.
Right, while Susie's busy, we'll continue. I have no idea how she manages to get inside a secret laboratory. I use a password and things like that.
So guys, we just do it in Gotham. Because we did well, Mommy.
I need to figure out how to clean this up with more tissue. Sorry guys that there's a lot of dark spots, dark things, but
Looks like they're out of candy. I'll continue.
try not to like it so much.
Cover the surface really well to make sure the experiment is
Let me turn this up and put those straps back.
And now, I'll leave it to dry.
My tongue spills. Close your legs.
Well, I've tidied up a bit. Surprise!
Got some squishes up there. There's no more snacks here. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below what videos you want me to do next. This was a fail. I know, it was a fail. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. What you want to see me do next? Next, I'm supposed to be doing Taki Challenge. My cousins are out there gonna give me some hot Cheetos, and I'm pretty sure Takis. So it might be a hot Cheeto and Taki Challenge. I don't know yet, but it's gonna be a spicy challenge. And I was supposed to do a sweet versus spicy challenge, but I didn't have any time to do it, and I couldn't go. So yeah, guys. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on notification, and give a big thumbs up. Bye, guys.